This tutorial is going to go through the use of the draft feature in Inventor. As you see in a few moments, just after I create this simple block here, you'll see the draft itself is used to stretch individual faces from a fixed defined face. Therefore it can create an angle from that face, either inwards or outwards, or either forward or backwards. So first I'm just going to extrude the block, and I want to click here now on the draft feature. Now in this dialog box here you'll see there's different options. The first option we're going to pick is the fixed edge. Therefore we're just going to specify an edge to remain unchanged, and then we're going to pick the faces that are to be pulled or draft in relative to this face itself. So we just do that now. Click the edge you want to keep the same. Pick your direction. And now pick your faces to draft. So this one I'm going to pick the right hand side, and I'm also going to pick the left hand side. The red arrows here each side represent the direction the draft is going to occur in at the default state. So just turn the block around for a better view. Your pull direction changes when you click this button here. We can apply that now, and you see that the pull direction itself created an angle there that we specified as 2.5 degrees. It created a draft inwards from the front fixed face. So now we can right click, edit feature again, and you can change the angle. And as you can see, the pull direction of the draft was still inwards, and since it's 45 degrees it ends up like a triangle. You can just undo that there. Enter the feature again. We can change the direction now if we want to of the draft itself. So now it's 2.5 degrees outwards from the fixed face in the front. And now you can definitely change the angle as well if the need requires. This particular feature will be very useful in the furniture industry, especially where you could be dealing with corner units or different specifications of units for different corner angles. It will be very useful in the manufacture and design of shelves, for example, quantifying materials to be cut. Even though an awful lot of this work for angled units could be carried out in a CNC, in other factories of a smaller scale, this could be very useful in even optimizing material for corner units, for shelving, and for different applications the need arises.